Hi guys, I go the Pieces by Peter and Gordon. This song is not for so young generation. I can only hope that millennials can appreciate this song. When I'm walking down the street, I get so shaky and I feel so weak. I turn my eyes to the other way, but they don't seem to hear a word I say. And I go to pieces and I wanna hide. Go to pieces and I almost try every time my baby passes by. Another love that will be true, but they don't listen, they don't seem to care. They wish for her, but she's not there. And I go to pieces and I wanna hide. Go to pieces and I almost die every time my baby passes by. I remember when she said, okay, that's a little bit longer. I know this song will not be going to be sued for copyright infringement. I guess so. Okay, the intro. Let's go back to the intro. The intro is 4th fret on the 3rd, and then 6th fret on the 3rd, 4th fret on the 2nd string, back to 6th fret on the 3rd string, 4th fret on the 3rd string, 6th fret on the 4th string, 4th fret on the 4th string, and then you can play the E. Okay, so you have to play twice. Okay, now for the verses, the strumming pattern for verses and chorus: down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, that's throughout the whole song, except for one part. Okay, the bridge, I guess. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so the first verse, I've covered the first verse, the chorus, and the second verse, and back to the chorus. After the chorus, we go to the bridge. Okay, so I'll repeat the chorus. I got pieces and I want her. I got pieces and I almost die every time my baby passes by. I remember when she said goodbye, baby, we'll meet soon maybe, but we do all my best to you. I'm so lonely, I think about her only. Okay, so that's our bridge. So it's the last line of the bridge is, I'm so down, down, I'm so lonely, up, down, I think up, down, down, up, down, and then B, down, down, up, down. Okay, the first 3 lines, same strumming, and also for the I remember I remember when she said goodbye, goodbye. Baby, baby, down, up, baby. And then one strum for A, and then for B, strum down, and then back to A, strum down, one beat also, and then G minor. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then back again to A, down, up, and then down, 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 and then G minor again, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then A, down, up, and then down, A, down, B, and then down A again, and then this time F sharp. All my best to you. I'm so for B, down. I'm so all my best to you. I'm so lonely. A. So for B, down, down, up, down, and then A, down, down, up, down, and then G minor, down, down, up, down, and then go back to B, down, down, up, down. Okay, and then we go to the third verse. I go to places we used to go, but I know she'll never say. She hurt me so much inside. Now I hope she's satisfied, and I go to pieces I wanna hide. Go to pieces and it almost die every time my baby passes by. Go to pieces and I cry. Every time I go to pieces and I cry. Okay, after the chorus we have the outro, C minor. Go to pieces and I cry. Down, up, and then down, down, down. 3 downs, and then back to C minor. Every time my baby passes by. Down, up, and then down. Go to pieces and I cry. So the last E is 4 downs after down, up, and then 4 downs. So you're relaxing your finger. Okay, well, I guess that is, guys. I hope you like this song because I like this song. Now our next song will be also from All This Goodies album. The last time we have 4 in a row from the New Millennium album. So I think I'll play 4 old songs. Okay, so our next song will be Because by Dave Clark 5. I guess Dave Clark 5. Okay, so that's it, guys.